Okay. We're at the prairie dog town. These are all the prairie dog hunters. Prairie dogs are a little too fast for these guys though. See if we can hear one squeak and then we can watch them all take off. Hey, Soph. Oh, Zoe's got a bone. Good find, Zoe. Good find. Miley's over there checking things out. There's Zoe again with her bone. Nice discovery, Zoe. Bones, he's not sure. He's just kind of casing the perimeters. Oh, there we go, there we go. Okay, there she goes, there we go. Oh, no, not too much of a reaction. There goes Bones. I think everybody's hot and tired now. There goes Dee Dee. Cookie's checking it out. Oh, there goes Doc. There we go. Not very exciting on that one though. And what's Sunny doing? Sunny's rolling in crap. Rolling in horse poop, Sunny? Hey, Zoe. That's her strut. Hey, Zoe, what's up? Where's Tink? Tink's over there. Hey, Tink, Tink. Hey, Tink, Tink. What are you doing, Tink? There you go. Hi, Tinkerbell. Hi, Tinkerbell. Okay, shall we go back? Shall we go back? Okay, you guys got to get away from me so that I can, that I can film you. There we go. We got two independents over there. There's another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. What we got over there? Sunny? Oh, Tink, what are you doing? Oh, I'm just looking for some food. Nothing in there, Tink? Myself? Any jackpots? No, they're too fast for you. Oh, Zoe still got her bone. You gonna carry that all the way home, Zoe? Looks a little heavy for you. Huh? Looks a little heavy. Hi, hi. Hi, Cook. Watch the cactus, you guys. That'd be a bad word if I said the first one. Cactus, that's right. Oh, there she goes. There we go. Oh, we might get some action. We might get some action. Yeah. Oh. I think everybody's pretty tired out. Miley! Come on! Atta girl. Atta girl. Oh, she's not. Oh, she's got here. She heard another one. Oh, they're all going. Tink's going this time. Alright. Oh, these guys gave up. She's all the way over there. Miley! Come on! Hurry up! Too slow, too slow. There you go. Hey, girly. Hey, Molly! Yay! Yay! Hey, Dock-a-doodle-doo. Dock-a-doodle-doo! Yay! Hi, Docky. Hi, Docky. Okay, we done? Are we done? Need to go back. Everybody needs to go for a swim in the water. Get a drink. Oh, and the dude over there. He's the dude. He just lost his precious testicles on Wednesday. He's looking good. Yeah. Okay.